Hello, comics people! Nandito kami ni Sir Mel dito sa NU Manila, sa National University. Bakit? Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na Comms Week. Kasi nagtuturo kami ni Sir Mel sa Department of Communication dito sa NU. Nandito nga pala yung aking co-faculty namin, si Ma'am Danes de Guzman. Yan. Siya yung advisor ng The Compendium. Yun yung official student organization ng AB Communication. Ma'am Danes.
Yeah, so hi everyone. So we would like to invite you for our upcoming Comms Week. Actually, the Comms Week will start tomorrow, no? So Comms Week is a one-week event that with numerous activities of ABCom majors in order to acquire their knowledge and their skills. So this is a series of activities from Wednesday until Friday. So I have my officers with me to discuss what are the activities per day that we prepared for you.
Okay. I'm the head of Comms Week po.
Ang name mo si
Bea Lorenzo. So I'm the head of Comms Week po, and we have 3 days po talaga. And yung first day po, we'll have an field day and then a writing contest, then followed by the next day, Thursday, speaking contest, and then a film showing. And then, of course, ito ata yung highlight, sir.
Highlight ba yan?
Highlight. Then by Friday, we'll have a seminar and a workshop as well na ang topic namin is about comics. Yun. And then,
diba?
Yun.
And siyempre tanungin natin si Wana, yung president ng The Compendium, yung official student org. Bakit comics? Diba? Communication, pero bakit comics?
Ano sa comics?
Oo nga, may comics sa comics. Sige nga, ano yung reason kung bakit kami ni Sir Mel yung magto-talk, no?
Actually, sir, nung first po, ang napag-usapan namin is about transcribing and video editing. But nung lumapit na ako kay Sir Mel, nung class namin that time, true story to. Lumapit ako kay Sir Mel, tapos in-invite ko siya, and in-ask ko siya kung may mga kilala siyang marunong mag-transcribe. Then sinabi niya po sa akin is wala. And binigyan po ako ng idea ni Sir Mel na since involved nga po kayong dalawa sa comics, na why not comics na lang yung gawin. Like, mag-tackle about comics. Kasi, mostly po ng ABCom is interested din talaga sa comics. And, since yung goal ng seminar and workshop namin is yung mga hindi pa napag-aaralan ng ABCom. So, why not itry natin yung comics? Kasi, marami talagang mag-enjoy and very curious about comics.
Yan, tsaka Sir Mel, di ba, ang comics, although comics is its own medium, may similarity siya sa mga storyboarding, sa mga productions ng mga communication students, yung paggagawa sila ng TV,
sir,
ng
I
film.
think you're also celebrating something.
Yun, yung 95 years kasi ni Kenkoy dito magki-kickstart. So meron tayong, bukod sa talk namin dun sa araw na yon, sa last day, meron tayong Kenkoy's 95th anniversary exhibit, pati na rin yung Parikoys ni Sir Mel, Mukatman. So nandoon yung mga original art, pati na rin yung mga prints, no, nung mga comics nung namin, no, Kenkoy and Parikoys, no. Yan. Paano yung collab nun? Kenkoy and Parikoy?
Parikoy.
So yun, ano ba siguro ma-add natin para mas, sige Bea?
I think, great opportunity yun na ma-talk about namin yung comics. Kasi, it's another form eh. I observe na dun sa batch namin, or dun sa mga co-communication students namin, mas involved sila sa video. Compared dun sa mga stories na like, yun nga, traditional drawing. And I think yung comics kasi may sarili siyang way of expressing yung story niya. So, ayun, feel ko magandang opportunity to sa comm students to explore another side ng, actually communication din siya kasi you're giving a story. Yes. So, yun, maganda yung another side ng communication na ma-explore nila.
Yeah, tsaka yun nga, marami rin mga TV shows tsaka mga movies, no, na ang basis mga comics, di ba, mga anime, American comics, Japanese webtoons, di ba? So marami nang naging basis. Sa Philippines ang dami na. Na naging from comics naging movies, no.
Yes.
Ayun. Yung Kenkoy naging movie. Ayan. DI3 naging movie rin. Anyway,
another thing, it would be a good showcase of another showcase of learnings for our students because of comics is a good training for them in terms of script writing. Oo, kasi 'di ba diyan lahat nagsimula in terms of comics, yung storytelling, script writing, hindi lang yung in terms of visuals and graphics. So, a good package it's a complete package of learning experiences for our students as well. Ayun. So, congrats and I'll see you on Friday, the two of you.
Sige, kita-kits na, Sir Mel. Wala sa screen si Sir. Yan. Yan, sige. Thank you.